Hello students, when we learn a poem, it's very important to learn the important figures of speech given in the poem. Now I am going to explain some figures of speech in this poem. See the line, just as it gets dark in the evening, my mother sends me to bed. Here we can see alliteration. The sound of the letter M has been repeated in the line for poetic effect. Just as it gets dark in the evening, my mother sends me to bed. See the line, watchman walking up and down. Watchman walking up and down. Here, the sound of the letter W has been repeated in the line, so alliteration. And we can see another figure of speech, which is antithesis. When two opposite words up and down are placed in the same line to indicate that the watchman was walking on the street. So two opposite words are used. So here antithesis. See the line, the lane is dark and lonely. Here alliteration. The sound of the letter L is repeated in the line. Lane is dark and lonely. L sound is repeated. And the figure of speech is given consonants. Consonants means what? The consonant sound of the letter L has been repeated in the sign. Because in a line there may be more than one figure of speech. The street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. Here alliteration. The sound of the letter S has been repeated in the line. Here another important figure of speech is personification. The street lamp has been giving the animate quality of standing like a giant. So here personification. Another figure of speech is simile. Why? There is a direct comparison between the lamp and a giant with one red eye. See the line, the watchman swings his lantern and walks. Alliteration, as you know, the letter W has been repeated in the line. See the line, I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. Here again we can see alliteration. Sound of the letter W has been repeated in the line.